Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to work with tolerances for the dimensions. First of all, we need to set up some information for the 3D model, so please open the 3D model and select the model properties and change tolerance standard for the opened model. The system asks you that you need to regenerate model and apply standard, and then select the tolerance table and retrieve existing tolerances for the hole and shaft for this opened 3D model. The system asks you again for the regeneration and confirm by done return. If you're going back to the drawing, in the drawing mode is necessary again apply the drawing standard. So set up please drawing properties and detail option for open a drawing, and the best practice is if you open as alphabetical, and then you can really easy find the option tall display. Default option for tall display is no, so change it to yes and apply this information. If you will select dimensions, right now it's possible to select the drop down menu and see the different kind of options, and on the left side is the tolerance mode, so for example limits and different kind, for example plus minus or symmetric. The system read general table, so if you specify none, you can set up your custom values. So for example, like you can see here, that you can set up positive or negative information. If you switch back to general, the system read the table and specify the current value from the general table. If you would like to apply the dimensions, tolerance dimensions as a shaft, you can select, and the system allow to you to specify from the drop down menu again the different values for specific tolerance. If you would like to see the values, set up visualization for tolerance mode, and if you change it, the system will read again the corresponding information for the selected dimensions. How it works with holes dimensions, you can select and from tolerances specify as hole and change it, for example K6. Again, if you specify the tolerance as the plus minus, you will see the detailed informations. In this video tutorial you have seen how to work with tolerances